Hello, and welcome to this traditional hypnotherapy session for cultivating culinary creativity. In our fast-paced world, the art of cooking can often be reduced to mere functionality. However, cooking offers a unique opportunity for creative expression, allowing us to explore new flavors, textures, and techniques. Whether you're an experienced chef or a novice in the kitchen, this session will help you unlock your culinary potential, transforming the act of cooking into a joyful and imaginative experience. Before we begin, please ensure you're in a comfortable and safe environment where you can fully relax without interruptions. Never listen to this session while driving or operating machinery. And now, just make yourself comfortable and we'll move on to the session. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhale, releasing any tension you might be holding on to. With each breath, allow yourself to become more and more relaxed. Notice how your body feels, starting with your toes, and imagine a warm, soothing wave of relaxation spreading from your toes to your feet, up through your legs and into your hips. Feel this relaxation moving up through your abdomen, gently releasing any tightness, moving into your chest and allowing your breath to flow freely and easily. And as this wave of calm continues up through your shoulders, down your arms, and into your hands and fingers, let go of any tension you might be holding on to. Now feel the relaxation spreading up through your neck, into your jaw, your cheeks, and around your eyes, allowing your entire face to soften and relax. And with each breath you take, sink deeper and deeper into this state of calm and comfort. Now imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. Each step down represents a deeper level of relaxation. And as I count from 10 down to 1, take a step down with each number, feeling more relaxed with every step you take. 10, stepping down and feeling the relaxation deepen. 9, sinking further into calm and peace. 8, feeling the gentle pull of gravity guiding you down. 7, each step bringing you deeper into relaxation. 6, feeling completely at ease. 5, halfway down now, sinking even deeper. 4, feeling a sense of tranquility washing over you. 3, almost there, deeper and deeper. 2, feeling more relaxed than ever before. And 1, stepping off the last step and into a state of profound relaxation. In this deeply relaxed state, your mind is open and receptive to positive suggestions, ready to embark on a journey of culinary creativity. Imagine now that you're in a vibrant, bustling marketplace. The air is filled with a symphony of sounds, the chatter of vendors, the clinking of pots and pans, and the distant melodies of street musicians. This marketplace is a place of endless possibilities, where every ingredient imaginable is within your reach. And as you wander through the market, you notice the vivid colors of fresh produce, the rich aromas of spices, and the inviting displays of exotic ingredients. Allow yourself to be drawn to whatever catches your eye, knowing that each choice you make is a step towards unlocking your culinary creativity. In this market, you feel a sense of excitement and curiosity. Every ingredient holds the potential for a new dish, a new experience. You pick up a handful of fragrant herbs, feeling their texture and breathing in their scent. As you do, you can almost envision the dishes they could inspire, the flavors they could enhance. With each step you take, you become more aware of your own creative potential. Just as you explore new ingredients, you can explore new ideas and techniques in your cooking. Imagine yourself in your kitchen, experimenting with these fresh ingredients, feeling confident and inspired. Notice how good it feels to try something new, to combine flavors in unexpected ways, to create dishes that are uniquely your own. See yourself plating a beautiful dish, the culmination of your creativity and effort. See the vibrant colors, smell the delightful aromas, and feel the satisfaction of having created something wonderful. And as you continue to explore this market, you realize that creativity in cooking is much like creativity in any other art form. It involves a willingness to experiment, to take risks, and to embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Each dish you create is a reflection of your unique perspective and tastes. Now think of a time when you felt particularly creative or inspired. Recall that feeling vividly and allow it to fill your mind and body. Know that this feeling of creativity is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. And just as you can revisit this marketplace in your mind, you can tap into your creative potential whenever you step into the kitchen. Remember that every time you cook, you have the opportunity to express yourself, to bring joy to others, and to enjoy the process of creation. Each meal is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to delight in the endless possibilities of culinary expression. Feel this sense of possibility and creativity deeply, knowing that it will stay with you long after this session ends. You are a culinary artist capable of creating dishes that are not only delicious, but also an expression of your unique creativity and love for cooking. And now, as we come to the end of this session, in a moment I'll count from 1 to 5, and with each number you'll begin to return to full awareness, bringing with you a sense of renewed creativity and inspiration for your culinary endeavors. 1. Starting to become more aware of your surroundings. 2. Feeling a gentle energy returning to your body. 3. Becoming more alert and more awake. 4. Taking a deep breath in, feeling refreshed and revitalized. And 5. Opening your eyes, fully awake and alert, feeling inspired and ready to explore new culinary adventures. And whenever you enter your kitchen, you'll feel a surge of creativity and inspiration. You'll find joy in experimenting with new ingredients and techniques, and your confidence in your culinary abilities will continue to grow. Each meal you prepare will be a delightful expression of your creativity and passion for cooking. And now, as we come to the end of this session, carry this sense of creativity and inspiration with you into your daily life. Embrace the joy of culinary exploration and expression. And until next time, goodbye and good mental health.